Hello and welcome to the first video of 2025. Actually, ये first video नहीं होने वाला था. It was going to be at least the second and third video, but because हम lazy हो गए and because India में travel किया and because I went to Saudi as well, I am a little bit late on the track. So आज की video में we are gonna curl our hair using the rods, जो कि हमने बहुत बार देखा इंटरनेट पे, but usually it doesn't stay in my hair because the thing is my hair is really silky. So whenever I try to put it inside, toing करके निकल जाता है. And also, today's vlog is also going to be about how I'm going to plan my weekend. Weekend is that time of the week where I like to plan a lot of things. ये भी करना है, वो भी करना है, ये भी करना है. In the end, most of the times मैं कुछ भी नहीं करती हूँ because I get lazy. Like I plan a lot of things in the morning and by the evening I'm like छोड़ो यार, कुछ नहीं करना है मुझे. Why am I like this?
I don't know.
Enough of ranting. Let's start with the hair thingy. So I just washed my hair and the first product जो मैंने use किया है, I'm just giving this a try. It's a new product. It's by Garnier Ultra Dew Smoothing Leave-In Cream. Okay, it's Garnier Ultra Dew Smoothing Leave-In. Garnier Ultra Dew Smoothing Leave-In Cream. Okay, smells like ricey and not ricey, but smells a little bit floral. Chalega. I use that and I'm gonna blow dry my hair. And uske baad mein, when it's around 70 to 80% dry, we're gonna try to put the rods and then see how it's going to work.
Meanwhile,
now the hair is around 80% dry. Then I'm gonna use this Color Wow Pop and Lock High Gloss Finish. Usually ये use करते हैं after you finish the treatment. I need something कि जो मेरे बाल में थोड़ा सा grip लाए, so that you know the product, मतलब जो rod है वो बालों में अच्छे से लगा रहा है. There's one more thing which I have over here is from Color Wow. Color Wow के products बहुत अच्छे हैं. And this one is the volumizer. So basically ये आपके ये आपके बाल को काफ़ी वॉल्यूम देता है. I'm just gonna apply it थोड़ा सा रूट्स पे और बाकी towards the end. Once I'm done with this, अभी वापस से एक राउंड हम ब्लो ड्राई का करेंगे.
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है.
उसके बाद में we're gonna start putting the rods and see how it goes. Apart from that, I'm doing a series on Instagram which is comparing the lip balms which is available in the Indian market. And the current one which I'm loving is by Foxtail. This one is so good. Like it smells really good. इसका taste भी बहुत अच्छा है. ऐसा लगता है बस खा जाओ because it's so tasty. I'm just gonna use the milk stick. It's supposed to be a cooling, hydrating stick. अभी कुछ makeup नहीं किया है, बस बैठे हैं ऐसे to do the routine. And then I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm planning for the weekend. Like what are my plans for the weekend, what I want to do this weekend. Let's try and start putting in the rods.
साला ये दुख का खत्म नहीं होता बे.
meanwhile,
जितना easy ये दिखाते हैं ना online, उतना easy ये है नहीं guys. I really thought it's gonna be very easy and I'll be like, oh, I got it done, but it's really not easy. Okay, you can still see यहाँ पर बाल ऐसे बाहर निकल रहे हैं. I don't know if this is gonna work or not, but I do not have the strength to do this again because it's not easy.
Stop it. Get some help.
I'm gonna go and get one more rod so that I can put it over the head in the front section. This is how I'm looking right now. Absolutely hilarious. And I can also see कि थोड़ा थोड़ा बाल हर जगह से निकल रहा है. Like here, यहाँ से बाल निकल रहे हैं, यहाँ से बाल निकल रहे हैं. But कोशिश है कि इसको ऐसे ही रहने दे. And meanwhile, I'm just gonna do my other things. I'm gonna edit the videos.
मैं क्या करूँ फिर जॉब छोड़ दूँ?
I'm gonna plan the rest of the day. I'm gonna see what I have to do. And then we're gonna keep this for at least 4 to 5 hours and see if it really does something. I'm also gonna spray the Oribe dry texturizing spray. थोड़ा तो hold रहा है इसमें. I'm really skeptical, guys. I don't know if this is gonna work or not. I'll see you when it's time to remove the rods. Be right back. Also, guys, I got Noel. ताकि आप लोग देखो इस बदमाश को. पूरा दिन ऐसे ही बस आराम. And जब मैं सोने जाती हूँ, he really disturbs me. Hi, Noel. Say hi. Say hi. I finally placed an order for the food and I'm eagerly waiting for it. However, I did not place an order for Pakistani food. I ordered shawarma. That's my go-to. I live in Dubai.
3 hours later.
I'm gonna open this because ये सर में इतना दर्द दे रहा है ना अभी. I don't know is it because of this or the products or anything, but this is really aching and I wanna get this off.
Holding on to every word you said. I'm ready, you know. I'm open to show. Would you say the same? We're falling from outer space. We're moving like a full-paced supernova. We're making all the headlines now.
So this is how it looks, just unraveling now. I'm gonna give it some time to settle down. I'm gonna rough it up. I'm gonna put some oil or something in my hair so that it just looks beautiful. I'm just gonna bring my oil. I'm gonna use the Gisu oil, a very famous oil. However, I got this in a gift set. To be very honest, I'm not really a big fan of this oil and smell. It smells like coconutty, but I'm gonna use it. This part looks like baji.
मुझे नहीं पता था मैं इतना खूबसूरत लगता हूँ. क्या बोलती है तू?
Insert the picture somewhere. This part literally looks like it. Any which ways, I'm gonna let this dry down. Not dry down, but I'm gonna let this like open up more in a while, and then we're gonna see how it looks. I'm gonna have my lunch, which is not lunch anymore. It's gonna be 6 o'clock, and I'm gonna have that and then see how to style this hair. It's day 2 and good morning, guys. Today is Saturday and I have a lot of things to do today, so hopefully I can do it. By the way, maid नहीं आ रही है आज, तो खुद से ही सब करना पड़ेगा.
तो करना. परेशान हो गए हम लोग 2.5 साल से. ये भी परेशान हो गए, हम भी परेशान हो गए. करो फिर.
I was in the bed थोड़ी देर पहले and I was fighting कि बस उठो और जिम जाओ. Sometimes it's so difficult to get up from the bed and go to the gym. Wallahi. And now I have pushed myself and I'm going to the gym. भले ही कुछ ज़्यादा वर्कआउट नहीं करूँ, but we're gonna go. Sephora में नए items. I have not gone to Sephora in a very long time since I came back to Dubai. I'm gonna show you guys the outfit. Just wearing a basic leggings and a basic t-shirt.
8 hours later.
I have shot the video, and then the other things which I have to do is I have a paddle game in the evening at 6 o'clock. So I'm gonna get ready for that. Not now, it's just 3 o'clock. But I'm gonna get ready with me for that because I have a cute little squad to go. And then I'm gonna play, and then I will go for some shopping today. Sephora, NYX. Not ready for paddle, and this is what I'm wearing. It's very cold. I'm wearing a t-shirt inside, but it's very cold, so I thought I'll put this on. And if I feel hot, I'll remove it. This is how I
देख
look.
रहे हो विनोद चांद को.
I forgot to shoot an after upstairs, so I'm doing it over here. This is how it looks after the hair color. She does such a cute and a beautiful job at coloring my hair every single time. एंड इट्स जस्ट ब्लो ड्राई किया है स्ट्रेट फॉर द लुक। अभी तो जाके तैयार होना है। सो आई एम मेकिंग माई बर्थडे आउटफिट एंड यूजुअली मेरा अभी कुछ प्लान तो था नहीं बर्थडे का, बट आई एम जस्ट गोना डू अ फोटो शूट एट होम। नहीं चल रही है। I'm just gonna do a photo shoot at home, and for that I am making a costume, not a costume, like an outfit. So I'm speaking to my didi who makes the clothes for me, and I have a very specific kind of dress for my birthday. दीदी जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है ना वो रहेगा, जो बेज मैंने आपको सर्कल करके दिया है ना वो रहेगा। ये जो ऊपर के सारे फ्लावर्स जो कि फ़ोटोज़ में रेड है, ये पूरे चॉकलेट कलर के रहेंगे यहाँ पर। या वेलवेट वाला तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो आप बोल रहे हो कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैवी भी होगा, तो वो नहीं चाहिए। अगर आप नेट में आपको कुछ मिलता है तो आप वो ले लो। मेकअप इज़ डन एंड नाउ आई एम हेडिंग टू a meeting which I have with Meetup bloggers. These are the people who are managing my Instagram and everything, so I have to go and meet them. After that I have to go for a facial, I have to go for a video like in collaboration with the clinic, and then फिर उसके बाद तो कुछ नहीं है, but अभी से ही मैं like this because it's gonna be tiring, but let's see how the things go. अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए I'm hungry as well, so ये सब के बीच में I'll have to squeeze in time to eat as well. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा मेकअप नहीं किया है, डे के हिसाब से बहुत ही अच्छे से रखा है। I wore a full black outfit and उसके ऊपर एक जैकेट डाला है because it's very cold, unlike Dubai weather, it's cold nowadays. तो बस see you guys. Now I have got dressed and I'm going to a cafe. Actually it's not a cafe, it's a pop-up by a brand called Tarte. And I use Tarte products. I love them. They are very very good. उनकी specific चीज़ें are very very good. So I'm gonna meet some of the girlies over there, and then we're gonna shoot some content for my Instagram. उसके बाद में I have to go to so much trouble, which is in Marina. I have to pick up my birthday dress. I have to pick up the dress which I'll wear tomorrow for Dubai Fashion Week, and then I have to come back, and then I have a shoot. I have to do that. I'm not gonna be free. It's gonna be really hectic. तो let's see how the day goes today, and then tomorrow तो और भी ज़्यादा trouble होने वाला है, but I'll try to vlog, I'll try to take you guys with me for the Dubai Fashion Week. Let's see how it goes. Makeup is done, now it's time for accessories. I got this really pretty chains, like I would like to stack them क्योंकि brown के ऊपर gold बहुत अच्छा जाएगा। Pearl. Oh, that's a very pretty stack. I'll go with this Sol de Janeiro sunscreen. I'm here at the event, but my battery is about to die, and I have recorded a reel. Like we got flowers, and then we got makeup done, and then we got some gifts. Very pretty, but my mobile is about to die, so कुछ record नहीं कर सकते, and I'll try to link the reel somewhere so you guys can watch. Finally finished the Tarte event, and now we are heading to another event which is Gyneco, and I have along with me my friend, she's here, and then other friend which sitting in front. I'll tell you guys. I'll show her at the event. So yeah, we're going there, and then I have to go to so much trouble to pick up the outfit. I'm already tired. I'm already so hungry. So this is the first option that I have. It's not honestly my style and doesn't look that good on me. This is what I have for outfit number 2, and it's okay. Doesn't look bad, it looks good. This is option number 3, really sparkly, gorgeous dress. It's the end of the day. हालत देख के तो लग ही रहा होगा कि क्या हालत हुई है आज। यार पार्टी चल रही है इधर, सैटरडे नाइट है और हम घर में हैं। आज तो भाई ऐसी भागम दौड़ी हो गई, करना तो बहुत कुछ था बट नहीं कर पाए 2-3 चीज़ें, बाकी सब तो किया। हम गए सबसे पहले सुबह में अच्छा सा नाश्ता किया कड़क, फिर we went to the event, Tart event. It was a very nice event. मेरे पास फोटोज हैं, आपको बताता ये है आज की फोटोज जो हमने टार्ट के इवेंट पे लिए हैं और शो दिस टू यू गाइस.
Bitch, I can't fucking see.
There's no one else who loves me like you used to.
Pretty, you know. So yeah, we did this and then we went to another event which was at Gyneco. एंड इसकी रील बनेगी, I'm gonna upload it on Instagram. आप लोग फॉलो अगर नहीं कर रहे Instagram पे, so I'll put the description link. Description में मैं लिंक डाल दूँगी. You need to follow me on Instagram because I'm very active over there, like very active, very active.
एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग.
Any which ways. तो बस वो करने के बाद हम इवेंट गायनेको गए थे. It was a very good event actually. वहाँ पर भी बहुत सारे goodies मिले. Then we went to another place. We went to So Much Trouble and it was really very nice. तो वहाँ पर से मैंने फिर बर्थडे ड्रेस की शॉपिंग की एंड फैशन शो के कपड़े भी ले लिए हैं फाइनली. 2-3 चीज़ें नई हैं जो मिस ने ऑलरेडी ऑर्डर कर दिया है एंड होपफुली कल वो आ जाना चाहिए. उसके बाद में मैडम का बर्थडे है 3 तारीख को, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली इस बार कुछ प्लान नहीं किया है बिकॉज मन ही नहीं कर रहा कि कुछ करे. बस मन ये है कि हेल्थ अच्छी रहे एंड आसपास वाले लोग अच्छे रहे, दिल के कई लोग अच्छे रहे. स्टोरी लिख रही हूँ इधर. परसों बर्थडे है तो भागम दौड़ी नहीं होगा, बट देन जस्ट लेट्स सी. पता नहीं, शायद कोई फ्रेंड्स उठ के आ जाए, किसी को याद आ जाए अरे इसका तो बर्थडे है, चलो जाके केक खाते हैं. That's about it. Good night. It's the next day. Good afternoon, guys. I've woken up and I'm really down because yeah, it's that time of the month and इतना सारा काम है. आज जाना है, hair color करना है. We have to go to the salon. I need to get my hair refreshed. As you can see, और भी white बाल वगैरह है. Hi guys. So I'm back home and technically speaking अभी तक तो मुझे ready हो जाना चाहिए था and I should have left for the fashion show, but as I told before, I'm not keeping well. और दूसरी चीज़ ये बात मुझे पता लगी है that because my birthday is tomorrow, मेरे friends ने कुछ तो गुफ्तगू की है एक दूसरे के साथ में and they are planning something. तो अभी टेक्निकली स्पीकिंग मैं आपको बताती हूँ, अगर मैं अभी जा रही होती फैशन शो में, सो आई वुड हैव लेफ्ट फॉर द फैशन शो लाइक अराउंड 6:30 और 7, लाइक व्हाट्स द टाइम नाउ, 6 o'clock. So I would have left by 7 o'clock or something. फिर वहाँ जाने के बाद shows attend करती and then I would have come back home by around 10:30, 11 perhaps. And then if my friends had planned something, you understand what I'm trying to tell you. Like I dress up for the fashion show and then I come back home and I dress up again, wear my birthday suit, get dressed up, do my makeup again, and then head out. That also being on the first day of my pupa. Huh? What we are gonna do is हम फैशन शो आज नहीं जाएंगे, हम 5th को जाएंगे बिकॉज मेरे पास 2 दिन का इन्विटेशन है. तो मैं जाऊँगी 5th को, होपफुली इंशाल्लाह 5th को आई मेक इट. एंड आज मैं अभी बस रेस्ट कर रही हूँ एंड बाय द वे आई गॉट माय हेयर, बहुत बताया था मैंने पहले. देन अब मैं रेस्ट कर रही हूँ एंड आई विल स्टार्ट गेटिंग रेडी बाय द इवनिंग. आई हैव पिक्ड अप माय बर्थडे आउटफिट जो कि आप लोग देखोगे एंड देन बर्थडे का व्लॉग मैं अलग बनाऊँगी. This will end here and all the things which is happening on my birthday, कि क्या किया मेरे friends ने and whatever it is. And also vision board बनाना था but unfortunately मैं आई ही इंडिया से late on 15th or 16th. मैं कब आई हूँ, 20th? Yeah, I came on 20th of January. तो विजन बोर्ड मुझे फर्स्ट वीक में बनाना था but that was not possible. तो हम विजन बोर्ड कल बनाएंगे बिकॉज बर्थडे है और क्या स्पेशल होगा उस दिन बनाने के लिए. तो हम विजन बोर्ड पूरी मेहनत से कल बनाएंगे and I'm gonna make a beautiful vision board for my 2025. I'm gonna achieve all of them, inshallah, amin. And yeah, that's it for today. इसके बाद की जो चीज़ें होगी that will be in the next vlog. तो ये vlog के लिए बस इतना ही. Thank you for watching.